This is one of my favorite body acne creams. Its effectiveness can be seen in just a couple of days. For this cream you will need shea butter, hazelnut oil, and tea tree essential oil. The best way to storage this cream is in a glass jar. Put 1 teaspoon of shea butter in a bowl. Pour water in the second bowl and heat it up on the stove. Then put the first bowl with shea butter into the second bowl with hot water and stir until everything melts completely. Pour the shea butter into a glass jar. Every drop matters. Add the hazelnut oil. Wait a few minutes before adding essential oil because they lose their medical properties in high heat. After you add 7 to 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, gently stir the mixture. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Leave the mixture in a fridge for 24 hours without the lid. After condensing for 24 hours, your cream is ready for use. I recommend labeling your jars because you will probably make a lot of them. Aside from being healthy, these homemade creams will save your money. This particular cream costs only $2 to make. When you apply the cream on your hands, back, or chest, you can spread it all over the skin. Acne spot treatment is advised when you use the cream on your face. Lifetime of this cream is 1 year. You can find a detailed recipe and more useful information in the description. Please leave a comment and let us know your experiences with this cream. Follow us to learn more about healthy natural products. Thank you for watching.